In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to find call recordings on your iPhone. So as you can see, when you're on calls now in the newest update of iOS, you can record your calls and it will prompt the person you're talking to let them know the call will be recorded. And then when you are done recording, as you can see, it pops up as an Apple note there. So when you're done, you hit stop and you hang up the phone. What you do is go ahead and go to your iPhone home screen here and just search for the Apple Notes app. It's the yellow little white note-taking app here. And then once you're in there, you should see a note that says call with, and then whoever the person you were talking to when you were recording that phone call. So go ahead and tap into that note now. Once you're in that note, you'll see that it has a title and a name. You can tap in there and rename that if you want. And then right here where it says call with whoever it is, you can press play just like so, and you can play it like you would any audio file. Now, if you wanted to, you could tap and hold on that. You could rename it. You could view a summary. You could share the audio to that person if you wanted, or you could even save that audio to files to play in your file section. But this is where all call recordings will go. They will natively and automatically go into your Apple Notes app, and it will be titled with call with whoever that person is, as you would any other audio file on your device. I'll have some frequently asked questions in a pinned comment down below. If this helped, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.